Hi,
Hi,
Bernhard.
hi, Carsten. So in this video, we are at step number 7, which is we will create an application group for this host pool and allow some users to it. And by default, we don't need to create the application group because the host pool will automatically create a desktop application group automatically. So I didn't create that one. That was created in the previous video automatically as well. But the step that we need to do is, in order to allow access to the desktops, we need to do the assignments. As you could see here, we don't have any assignments done for this application group. So
Mhm.
I'll just hop into the assignments, hit the add button, and now I'm landing in the object browser or in the directory picker, if you will. And I could, select individual users for giving access to them, to the desktops, or I think it's more practical to use a whole group which contains the users, right? So
Mhm.
that's what I do.
And to be
And
clear, these users and groups are synced from the local Active Directory because we
right.
need to log into the machines we will create. We need a local AD,
Mhm.
and should be some matched here. Huh?
Yeah, because remember, in a later video or in a previous video, we dealt with FS logics for the
Mhm.
profile share. Therefore, we gave NTFS permissions, and that would only work if you are using the same object, right? So,
Mhm.
and we gave the object AVD users the NTFS permissions to the share, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, that's already this video, a short one, but a necessary step.
So we see you in the next one.